Subject, Meliodas. Classification, the dragon sin of wrath. Height, 5'0". Identifiers, blonde hair, youthful appearance, demonic mark, broken sword, overwhelming aura. Movement patterns, unpredictable. Noticeable tendencies, constant physical affection toward Elizabeth. Love drinking beer. Containment, impossible. Risk level, cataclysmic. Final advisory,